Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you want to be everyone's favorite bartender, then you need to get these Espresso Martini drink mix sachets because you will make the perfect martini every single time.
It is going to be your new favorite cocktail hack with these SAYSO Espresso Martini instant cocktail tea bags. It will help you craft a premium drink in just 60 seconds. And each bag blends a mix of ingredients that gives it really great depth and balance to your drink. You can even make this as a mocktail so you can enjoy that great espresso martini flavor without compromising. You will have all of your friends wondering when you became a mixologist with these simple, easy to use drink mixes.
Take the complicated guesswork out of making the perfect espresso martini and get these from SAYSO. You are going to love them if I do say so myself. And that's my point of view.